Hey guys, Eric Collier, publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine. I'm excited to be down at the Cleveland Boat Show right here at the IX Center in Cleveland, Ohio, and I love this show. I'm having a blast. So while I'm here, I'm kind of wandering around. I'm looking for some new and exciting information to report to you guys on, and I ran across our good friends over at 717. How are you?
Good, I'm doing great.
Eric, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Absolutely, you too.
717 Credit Union. You guys are now going after boaters, and you've got a lot of good stuff. Tell us about it.
We are. We've done boat loans for years. We also do really strong in campers, RVs, and looking to growing our business in the boats as we've expanded our market area. We now serve all of Northeast Ohio and actually can qualify anybody that lives in Ohio for membership.
Okay.
Was able to apply for a loan with us.
Yeah. So how are the rates doing nowadays? Because that's something that's the first thing that everybody thinks about when they think about a loan, right?
Oh, sure. You know, they're still relatively competitive.
Yeah.
You know, our rates compared to our competition really strong. You know, some of the rates are still starting to go up. Boat loans still pretty competitive. So, yeah.
Well, there's a challenge, I think, in the marine side of things, Eric, and maybe you can verify this or dispute it, but all of the used boats seem to be going just so quick because the cost of a new boat is so much higher now because we went about 3 years without making any boats, 2009, 10, 11.
Sure.
So what kind of turnover are you guys seeing on your end of things when it comes to financing boats? Are there a lot more new boats that are getting financed through you guys, or used boats, or what's that balance like?
You know, we still see a little heavier on the used boat side.
Sure.
You're right, and you know that's true with boats. It's true with campers. It's true with automobiles. You know, newer vehicles they are a little more expensive, so a lot of people do find it more affordable to go with the used.
Sure. So there are a lot of companies out there that can finance me. You know, I usually go to my local bank or I go to some, you know, loan place or whatever. Why am I going to go to 717 Credit Union? What's my benefit of being involved in having a loan with you guys compared to all the rest of the people that are out there?
Well, you know, we take pride in being a local lender with local decision making. We serve all of Northeast Ohio and beyond. And as a credit union, we're owned by our members, so we are not for-profit financial institution. So all of our quote-unquote profits go back to our members as opposed to stockholders.
Sure.
And so we're able through that to offer very competitive rates to our members.
Now, as far as being qualified for a loan, from what I understand, when you go to credit unions, they're a little bit more lenient and not as strict as some of the other banks that are out there. Is that true with 717, or is it's pretty much standard across the board?
Well, you know, we have to be financially responsible for our membership as a whole because it's their money that we're lending out.
Sure.
But with that said, you know, we do look a little more closely at the individual, I believe, than a lot of the banks and other financial institutions do, other than just looking at numbers.
Right. And that I think you find a lot more in some of the bigger banks and lending institutions is you're just a number. What's your score? If it's not here, you're out, rather than looking at the individual. So I got to imagine that the customer service at 717 is much higher because you're a local. You understand the local needs of the boaters as compared to some of the other banks that are out there.
We do. We believe that to be the case. Our brand message is our tagline is respectfully yours because that's how we operate. We respect and want to serve as partners, financial partners for our members. And so that's very important to us. They are member owners, so we feel they should be treated as such.
Silly question, because I've never dealt with a credit union, but can I come to you if I want to buy a jet ski? Or can I come to you if I want to buy a 100-foot mega yacht?
Absolutely. We do all kinds of recreational vehicles, from ATVs and jet skis to large boats and campers.
Okay, so you do the whole gambit.
We do.
I love it. Eric, let's say that I can't make it down to the Cleveland Boat Show, then shame on me because I need to be here. Where am I going to go online to find out more information about 717 or visit one of your branches if you have some brick and mortar? Just stop by and check out a boat loan.
We do, absolutely. You can visit us online at 717cu.com.
Okay.
And all of our locations are listed there. We've got 13 branches in Northeast Ohio. You can apply online or you can apply by phone. So easy to get a hold of us, easy to go through the process.
I love it. Eric, thank you
All
so
right,
much.
thank
my
you,
man.
Eric. Appreciate it.
717cu.com. That's where you want to go find out more information about a bank that's going to take care, a credit union that's going to take care of all your boating needs. So thanks so much for joining us today, guys. We'll see you out on the waters.